is Chandra from Course 1 BNC, and today I would like to present and explain about engineering drawing CAD project. In this project, we were given two tasks. The first task is prepare an article regarding the use of AutoCAD in engineering practice. In this task, we must choose our own title. In the second task, we must obtain a house pamphlet and redraw the floor plan drawing in the pamphlet as a working drawing. For now, I start to explain about the first task, which is about the article. My own title of this article is The Significance of AutoCAD. In this article, I describe about introduction of AutoCAD, characteristic of AutoCAD, type of basic command in AutoCAD, advantage and disadvantage of AutoCAD, reason of using AutoCAD, work scope of AutoCAD, and the future of AutoCAD software. First, what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a CAD computer-aided design or computer-aided drafting software application for 2D and 3D design and drafting. Actually, AutoCAD is the world's most well-known PC-supported drafting bundle for the individual computer. The organization behind AutoCAD, Autodesk, was established in 1982 by John Walker as an easy to access application for students, teachers, architects, freelancers, developers, fashion designers use AutoCAD globally. It's enable design to layout and to develop the work on a computer screen, print and save it for future editing. The use of the AutoCAD software applications enables the object to be viewed from any point, even from the inside. There are some main characteristics of AutoCAD required. AutoCAD is a global application. It is being used globally by product development teams, manufacturing facilities, medical professionals, in educational institutions, by professionals and engineers. Two main significant features of the software are 3D modeling and visualization. By using different 3D tools and commands, AutoCAD enables modelers to build powerful 3D models, wireframes, and surfaces. To inspect the internal information of 3D objects, users can modify, select to transfer the selection plan. Formulas and data from Excel can be imported directly into AutoCAD with this technique. With AutoCAD for any project reference, students can also import PDF files. It is also possible to import 3D models from other CAD applications into AutoCAD. Next, I elaborate the type of basic command of AutoCAD in this article. For using AutoCAD, we must know and learn every single basic commands. For example, lines, circles, arcs, the size, color, line width, line type, and more. Learning the commands is the most important part of AutoCAD because without that we cannot do nothing. When use AutoCAD, the advantages will give a clear picture. The advantage of using AutoCAD is save on time. When start to use AutoCAD, will be able to save on time, as you can make better, efficient, and more precious designs within a short time span. Next, it's easy to edit. When creating designs, find the need to make changes. With the CAD software, it will be very easy to make changes because you could quickly fix the errors and even modify your drawings without starting from scratch. Additionally, decrease in the error percentage. Since the CAD software makes use some of the best tools, the percentage of error that occurs due to manual designing is drastically reduced. Moreover, easy to share. The tools within CAD make it very simple to save files and store it in such a way that you can use it over and over again and even share it without facing any issues. Actually, there are more advantages of using AutoCAD, and these are some of them. Since we know that AutoCAD is the most common aided design computer, it has many advantages, but at the same time, it also has disadvantages. AutoCAD software has large startup costs, hardware, software, and training. It can be very costly, so the initial costs are high. While there are free software packages, people need to be educated on how to use the software that also adds to the cost. And a PC is required. Since AutoCAD is one of the leading CAD programs, it restricts the number of file formats that it can import or export as Autodesk exports other programs such as DWG and DXF to export to AutoCAD formats. Unfortunately, by using other applications with more powerful resources and exporting the software to an AutoCAD format, this causes problems. Geometry, color, and effect are often lost. AutoCAD software consumes the large amount of the computer processing power. It requires high quality computer hardware that can be costly. It requires the advanced manufacturing devices which are very expensive. It is not easy for first time users to learn the software. In additionally to the cost of training personnel. What is the reason of using AutoCAD? The reason of using AutoCAD is it's easy to learn and use. All think that it would be struggle to learn a computer program as complex as CAD, but that's really not the case. For engineers and product designers, in other words, for people who are use spatial thinking and who have a background in architecture, AutoCAD is very easy to understand. One of the best components of CAD design is that you have the same basic instrument that we all use every day on our computers. Cut, paste, copy and erase. Work scope of AutoCAD is to turn the thoughts and determination of design engineers and other assembly planners into sketches and drawings, and different drafters use AutoCAD. At the same point, development workers use this design to create device, equipments, and buildings. Drafters such as plan, design, or hardware regularly focus on strong points. They usually need post-secondary training to enter this field, such as partner's degree. In future of AutoCAD, not only designer engineers but also analysts, surgeons, and several other professionals use CAD system. This is why software manufacturers are increasing, improving, and improvising functionality, and we are beginning to see the shape of the future of AutoCAD software as new trend image. For task 2, we obtain a housing pamphlet and redraw the floor plan drawing in the pamphlet as a working drawing. I find a pamphlet that provides the size of each area in the house. And I choose this bungalow house pamphlet. It's got two floor, which is ground floor and first floor. I use appropriate scale for my drawing, which is 100, and insert the dimensions. I use UBBL 1984 for standard size of wall, window, door, setback and more. I facing more struggle to do this floor plan, but I refer YouTube video and notes that given by my lecturer. That video and the notes are very useful for me to revise every commands. I really thank to my lecturer. From task 1 and task 2, I learned more about the AutoCAD elements. The potential to use AutoCAD program is a strategy that will work well in future. Learning the AutoCAD program will increase the portfolio and boost the standard of work with the progress in the digital world, and technology is increasing every day. This may lead to a decline in the innovation rate. It is clear that the input role as a position of the construction industry. But in order to create a balance between the negativity and the positivity effects it use will have to be controlled. Thank you.